The Melbourne Voyager collision, also known as the Melbourne Voyager incident or simply the Voyager incident, was a collision between two warships of the Royal Australian Navy, the aircraft carrier HMAS Melbourne and the destroyer HMAS Voyager. On the evening of 10 February 1964, the two ships were performing maneuvers off Jervis Bay. Melbourne's aircraft were performing flying exercises, and Voyager was tasked as plane guard, positioned behind and to port of the carrier in order to rescue the crew of any ditching or crashing aircraft. After a series of turns effected to reverse the courses of the two ships, Voyager ended up ahead and to starboard of the carrier. The destroyer was ordered to resume plane guard position, which would involve turning to starboard, away from the carrier, then looping around behind. Instead, Voyager began a starboard turn, but then came around to port. The bridge crew on Melbourne assumed that Voyager was zigzagging to let the carrier overtake her and would then assume her correct position. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.